everyone, today I'd like to discuss the topic of development of accounting theory in our accounting theory course. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Anggraini, student ID number 2341-1181 from the Management 23D class. Definition of accounting theory. A theory is a body of knowledge that is systematically applied to explain a phenomenon. In the context of accounting, accounting theory is essential for explaining existing accounting practice and predicting those that may emerge in the future. Therefore, accounting theory serves as the primary foundation for determining and selecting the most appropriate accounting methods to obtain relevant and reliable information. The purpose of accounting theory by providing principles and relationships that serve as the foundation for accounting practice. This theory can be used as a guide in analyzing financial data. In addition, accounting theory also aims to explain the rationale behind the accounting methods commonly chosen by companies so that the result can be understood logically and systematically. According to this theory, financial statements serve not only as records but also help predict future business conditions. Therefore, accounting theory must be continuously evaluated and developed through research to remain relevant to developments in the business world. Types of accounting theories. First, fundamental analysis model. This theory is used to assess a company's value based on its financial condition, such as earnings, assets, and liabilities. Second, efficient market hypothesis. This theory states that stock prices already reflects all available information. This means it is difficult for investors to generate excess return because information is immediately incorporated into market prices. 3. Capital asset pricing model. This theory explains the relationship between risk and rate of return. The hedger, the risk of an investment, the hedger, the expected return. This model helps determine a reasonable rate of return. 4. Human information processing model. This theory examines how people understand and process accounting information. Its purpose is to determine whether the information is easy to understand and how it influences decision making. Positive accounting theory. This theory explains real world accounting practice, including the reason why companies choose certain methods. For example, companies choose accounting methods that can increase profit. 6. Critical perspective model. This theory critiques accounting from social perspective and in terms of specific interests. Its aim is to determine whether accounting is truly neutral or, on the contrary, benefits certain parties. History of accounting worldwide development. The history of accounting development in the world dates back to ancient Greece around the 5th century BCE. At that time, the community used simple system to record various transactions, such as wage payments and asset payments. Significant developments later occurred in 1494. Torruca pursues research, which established the double entry bookkeeping system. This system serves as the foundation for modern accounting because it allows for more structured and balanced financial recording, enabling longer-term, more accurate, and easier to understand financial reports. The development of the accounting profession in the United States. The development of the independent accounting profession in the United States is closely linked to the emergence of a more structured and professional accounting workforce. This was supported by the establishment of several organizations, such as the American Institute of Accountants and the American Association of Public Accountants, which played a significant role in the development of accounting practice. The primary objective of this organization is to reduce the potential for misconduct in business and enhance the level of professionalism among employees, thereby ensuring more reliable and high quality results. The development of accounting education. The development of accounting education began in the early 1900 when universities started incorporating accounting into their curricula. This was a significant step toward developing a professional workforce in the field of accounting later. In 1916, the American Association of University Instructors in Accounting was founded as an accounting education organization with the goal of developing standard and designing an accounting curriculum that was more accurate, consistent, and aligned with practical workplace needs. The development of accounting principles in the 1930 the development of accounting principles began to show significant progress. This was due to the introduction of the first accounting principles in 1936, which subsequently became a crucial step in the development of modern financial literature. This concept helped establish standards that are more structured and widely applicable in accounting practice to this day. History of accounting in Indonesia. The theory of accounting in Indonesia dates back to the Dutch colonial era, when the bookkeeping system in use was still based on the European method, particularly the double entry system, which was pioneered by Luca Pacioli since 1747. The VOC have been practicing accounting in Jakarta. Following Indonesia independence, many people continue to use the Dutch accounting system. However, in 1958, Indonesia faced a challenge in the form of shortage of professional accounting personnel, which made the development of accounting during that period quite difficult. The difference between accounting and bookkeeping. The difference between bookkeeping and accounting lies in their respective roles and responsibilities within financial management. Bookkeeping is a basic process that focuses on recording all financial transactions and organizing data systematically. In contrast, accounting takes a more comprehensive approach which not only involves using data from the records but also analyzing and interpreting it to generate information useful for decision making. From this, it can be concluded that bookkeeping is the first step in the process, while accounting is involved in the analysis and evaluation of decisions. Accounting and social responsibility. Accountants have a very important social responsibility in addition to their ability to prepare and report financial statements. In carrying out their duties, accountants must uphold ethical standards and fairness so that any action taken do not harm others. Furthermore, accountants also have an impact on the broader community because the information they disseminate can affect various public interests. Therefore, practical or pragmatic decision making is necessary to ensure that every decision made is realistic, beneficial, and appropriate for current conditions. Conclusion: accounting theory has evolved from simple bookkeeping into structured and scientific system designed to explain and predict accounting practice. Its development has been shaped by history, business need, and research, and it plays a vital role in financial reporting and decision making. Furthermore, accounting has social responsibility to promote transparency and fairness. Okay, that's all the material we're covering. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.